Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have a review of desktop notifications. This app I actually found to be incredibly handy during the day, just in general actually. So desktop notifications, if you can't tell by the notification, actually displays the notifications you receive on your phone in your notification bar here on your computer, be it through Firefox or Chrome. It only works with those two browsers at the moment. Don't know support for things like Opera, or if Opera has support for add-ons actually, not sure about that one. But so far, Chrome and Firefox have support for this application, and you can get it for free in the Google Play Store, and it is a secure application apparently. They do seem like a trusted developer, so I'm going to give them a word, but it's very easy to set up. People seem to have these seem to be pretty old reviews, I think. Oh no, they're pretty newish ones, but some people have problems on Samsung devices. That is under the read more section. If you scroll down, it says known issue on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung, you might want to read through this. I'm not going to read through it now. So let's not open the browser. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to set this up. So let's start with the application on the phone. So you need to enable notification access. If you don't enable this, your notifications will not come through on your computer. So you just do that by simply pressing the tick up here and then allowing it, and you can do open notification settings here. And then you have to download the browser extension, your choice of Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So doing this the totally professional way, I could use a screen recorder, but that machine doesn't support it that's in front of you right now. But I'm using Firefox, but this works exactly the same I think for Chrome. It's pretty much a straightforward process, to be honest. What you go ahead and do is you put your mouse over Add to Firefox or Add to Chrome, whatever it is in Chrome. You get this pop-up box up here which will allow the add-on to download. It's a quick download. You click Install Now, and then it will install. You don't need to restart. You go up here, and the little sort of speech box or pop-up, which you probably can sort of see. If you click on that, click Settings, this will take you to the add-ons manager of your browser. And then what you do is you have to type in a code, which you can probably see just there, and you apply that code to actually get access to your phone through this application. So let's go ahead and show you what you have to do on the phone. So on your phone, you scroll down to the bottom and you see this connect box here. You got to type this code in, this long code, into your browser or into that apply box there, that code box there, and that will give you access to your phone. So let me go ahead and type this really long ass code in, and I'll show you in a minute. So once you've typed the code into your browser, you click the apply code, and then it will say setup complete. And then you'll see this box up here, the speech mark box, has turned blue, and you can see you have the notification in there. If you click clear, that box then goes back to grey. So to test this actually works, what you do is if you click create test notification, you'll hear it on your computer as the pop, and there you go, you can see test notification 1, and you can also see in there in the notifications bar of your phone desktop notification 1. Now if I click this again, there it goes. It gives you a sort of delay, and it's pretty instant. As you can hear, I pretty much click it and it goes straight through. You can use this app over your mobile data as well. So if you want to, say you're at work and your work doesn't allow you to connect your phone to their Wi-Fi, but you can still use this desktop notification to see notifications on your phone, say because you don't want your boss for some reason to see you on your phone, this could be a killer app for you. I wouldn't recommend this though, you never know. But this is a killer app and I would definitely recommend it. However, there are a few things I want to go over that sort of disappoint me with this app. So the things that disappoint me with this app is the fact that they're supposed to be able to, you see this device name here? Well, on the desktop version on the browser, it's meant to say the device name if you have multiple devices connected, which I'll show you how to do. But it doesn't. So I don't know if this is a broken feature or if it's in beta at the moment, but this doesn't work at the moment. Not a problem. However, I do like the fact you can suggest features and stuff. Now, the one feature I would really like to see, not really necessarily a feature with the application itself, is with the operating system of your choice, is for it to be an app on the computer instead of using the browser. The reason I say this is because certain browsers only display this notification, display this notification in the bottom right hand corner. You can't change that as far as I know with Firefox because it's the default place for notifications to appear. So that's not this app's fault, but it would be interesting if they can make an actual application that runs in the background in your computer so that you can select where your notification appears on a different screen, in a different area of the screen, that sort of thing. It's easier. I understand why they use the browser, because pretty much any computer supports Firefox or Google Chrome in nowadays. Even things like the Chromebook, Ubuntu, Windows, Mac, it's easier across the platforms. I understand, but at the same time, it would be nice to be able to change the place where it displays the notification. Not a massive issue though. Other than that, I really don't mind this app. It has the option for Wi-Fi only, so if you want to display your notifications only on Wi-Fi, you can do that. But it's actually a really simple application. Works incredibly well. You can change the applications that have access, although it... Hello, focus you. No, it's not going to focus, is it? There we go. It will only display the apps that have displayed notifications so far. So if you want to, say, deselect Gmail, for instance, you can't do that until a notification from Gmail has actually come through. Bit of a problem, but not much. You can also look through the history of your notifications. It will give you notifications about if your phone battery is low, pretty much anything, to be honest, which is absolutely awesome. Fantastic app. So let's go ahead now and go over how you add a second device. Now I'm sorry you can't really see this very well. I have, as I said, don't have a screen recorder really to record with. To add a second device, what you do is on that device you again go into desktop notifications and you copy the code that's in there, but after the code that, say, you've had from your phone or something, you put a comma and then you put a space and then you type the the connect address into it. So I'll do that now just to show you basically how it works. So now that I've typed this in, what I do is I click apply code, it refreshes, you can see setup complete again, and if I send a notification from my tablet, there you go. Again, as I said, the problem with this is it doesn't show what devices this come from. As you can see, I have desktop notifications here, but I also have it up here. But which device has this come from? Because both of these have different names. If I show you, if I go on my Nexus 5 here, Nexus 5 has, well, Nexus 5. My Nexus 7, well, has Nexus 7 on it. So I don't know if this feature, as I said, is in beta or not, but it's definitely not showing up here at the moment. Maybe it's a setting, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but at the moment it doesn't do anything and it doesn't show the device name. You can also remove the default sound if you want, but I'd recommend having it because then you know when a notification has come through. So this application I find actually is really, really useful, and for it being free is absolutely fantastic. The speed that it delivers the notification in is fantastic. It delivers it pretty much instantly, which is really, really good. So this application you can find in the Google Play Store. Link will be down in the description, as it always will be for the application reviews. A fantastic app. I rated pretty much a 10 out of 10. The only downside to it is it really needs to, well, the one thing is the browser needs to show the names of the devices. And that really is it. I'm not fussy about the fact that it displays it in the bottom right. That's not really their fault. It is purely down to the browser, but it works across any platform pretty much, which is the advantage of using browsers like Firefox and Chrome. So really, you can use this on any computer you wish. I hope you enjoy. Find a link for this app in the description below. I'll catch you again soon.